What's up, guys? This is Chad Savage. I'm uptown. There's a car show, and just watching. I'm usually up here with my friend, but him and me got in a little incident, so I'm not sure where he's at right now. He might be up here, he might be at home or somewhere else, but here pretty soon I'll be getting a new phone. This phone's a piece of crap. Camera, whenever I take a picture of the moon, it doesn't come out right, so I'll be getting a new phone here soon. I'm not sure when, but there was a car that did a burnout right down there, but I didn't take a video soon enough because I didn't know he was going to do that. So sorry, my hand is shaking. I just got done riding my bike up here, so but I might go down there. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a whole bunch of people down there. I might have to cross the street if that's even possible. Well, I'm gonna get off here, and I'll show you more of the cars when I take another video. Chad Savage out. Ciao.